What do you stand for? Hey, if you are new here, my name is Shirley. I'm your ordinary busy boy mom and wife from Colorado, and I help moms every day who are ready to stop struggling financially, learn the skills to start earning money online through digital marketing. It is day 5 of my 30K in 90-day success sprint, and I am sharing my key takeaways from each of the mentor calls that I have for the next 90 days. And today, it was knowing what I stand for. You see, when you know what you stand for, you will press forward no matter what obstacle comes your way. You won't have any distractions or any doubts. You just keep pressing forward. And for me, I truly believe that every mom deserves the freedom to live life on her own terms without being held back by any financial worries. And I truly understand the struggle of balancing work, kids, and your dreams all while trying to make ends meet. My mission is to empower moms to break free from living paycheck to paycheck. I want to show you that it's possible to earn a substantial amount of income from home using just your smartphone and a couple of hours each day. I value compassion, empathy, and I know what it feels like to feel overwhelmed and exhausted. This isn't just about making money. It's about reclaiming your time, your peace of mind, and your ability to enjoy life with your family. It's about being able to say yes to whatever you want to do and no to financial limitations. So if you are ready to take control of your financial future and join a community of supportive, like-minded moms just like you and I want you to put me in the comments to learn more about how you can start making money online today.